What is going on, guys? It is Corey Alexander Kent here, and today we are back with something awesome that just showed up in the mail today, and I'm really excited to show you guys. So far you have seen me completely transform my engine bay, completely transform the outside of my car, and now there is something else left that I need to also completely transform, and that is the interior. Now, as you can see, the interior is fairly clean, but the seats are kind of starting to show their age. We're starting to get some rips on the driver and the passenger seat. And I'm not a huge fan of the headliner color, and my A-pillars are kind of starting to fall off. And so we got a lot of work ahead of us. But first, let's jump into this package. And so for this, I really wanted to share this moment with you guys because this is gonna be the first time I'm seeing these, and this will be the first time you guys see these. So let's take a look. Right. And there we are. This is our brand new NRG Prisma Ultra in the blue. And I have to say, it feels really nice. Material feels really good. Get a nice shot of that back. I'm gonna leave the plastic on until I go to install the seats. But let's see if we can get a good close-up on that. Got that bass boat sparkle on the back. And so for right now, I do have the driver's side seat bracket. However, I do not have the sliders, which I'm gonna do, which I do understand those are gonna be a pain in the butt from everybody that I've heard. But I'm gonna be doing sliders on both sides, and the passenger side seat and the passenger side bracket still need to show up. So just wanted to let you guys get the first glimpse with me. And yeah, now we got something to sit in that isn't messed up. Pretty cool. All right, so I have a confession to make. I told myself that I wasn't gonna put the seats in until I had the sliders and everything, but the sliders won't be here for another few days, and the passenger side seat bracket still hasn't even shipped out yet. So I'm getting a little ahead of myself, and I'm gonna start test fitting it in the driver's seat and get that all locked in because I'm really excited. I wanna see what it looks like, so let's get into it. And so first step is gonna be getting the driver's seat out and getting everything unhooked and transferred over to the new seat, as well as I am removing the rear seats as well in an effort to save weight. And since the seats will be fairly fixed and it's gonna be pretty difficult to get into the back seats anyways, they're kind of pointless being back there, so I figured get them out of the way. Yeah, let's dig into it. Right, rear seats are removed. I do got a little bit of junk on the floor I want to clean up before I go ahead and put my seats in over top. But yeah, everything was pretty simple. Just 2 bolts on either side here, and then it's 3 bolts to get the seat belts out, because, you know, I don't want those flapping around making a bunch of noise while I'm driving down the road. I mean, it's already going to be loud and annoying enough with the seats out and the trunk emptied out, so, you know, do what I can. Here's how we're looking with everything all installed. So for me, it's gonna be a couple days, but for you guys, it'll be real quick. Just gotta get this side done. Bam, done. And in the last few days that y'all have been waiting patiently, I did a couple of changes. You know what I mean? And I installed a catch can. So yeah. So now we are digging into the interior a little bit, everything else showed up. So I just pulled the A-pillars off. So that part right there. And then next we gotta get the window visors and everything else disconnected, so we can go ahead and dig into that. All right, so I'm back. I have everything taken out of the car and ready to be prepped, or already been prepped and ready to be sprayed down. For all the plastic, I'll be using some plastic adhesion promoter. Hopefully that makes my life a little bit easier. We'll see. I followed all the instructions, so theoretically everything should be good. I'm gonna spray all the plastic bits with this first, and then all of the vinyl. For all the vinyl, I have some black vinyl and fabric coating. I don't know how well it's gonna work on the sun visors, but I'm really hoping they turn out good. I guess we'll see. And if not, you know, scuff it off and try again, but let's give it a shot, see what happens. All right, guys, so all the trim is painted. I'm gonna bring you guys over, take a look here. Everything is painted now. I'm just letting it gas out, dry out, and then now I have the pieces cut for the headliner. And now we just gotta get some glue, get it applied, and then cut out all the extra holes for everything that needs to get mounted in, and we should be good to go. So keep my mask on because I feel like inhaling glue is probably no better than inhaling paint. So we're gonna keep our mask on, get this glue laid down, get it all set in, and we should be good to go. All right, so we got everything glued down, everything painted up, and at this point, we're just kind of piecing everything back together and getting it ready to go back into the car. At this point, I'm gonna jump ahead because I still gotta wait for a few things to dry, and it's just a lot of fiddling and, you know, messing with little stuff. So I'm gonna jump back when we're ready to get everything put into the car. And here's how we're looking so far. Headliner installed. Back trim pieces all put back in. I'm still waiting for the front A-pillars to dry, but we got the sun visors all painted up. And yeah, here's how she's looking now. I'd say much better than before, for sure. So I want to appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching the whole video. Y'all didn't see it, but it actually took forever to finish recording all this. With packages getting delayed and stuff coming up. So sorry that I haven't uploaded in like a month, but you know, the results are sick. You know, I'd say it was worth it. I've been riding around to work every day with the new seats, and then today I got to ride around in the reupholstered car. And overall, I'd say the freaking energy of this car is certainly getting there. As for what I'm doing next, I don't know, to be honest with you. I really don't know what to do next. That being weird. So, y'all got any ideas? I mean, I've done basically everything aesthetically that I want to do. The only thing that's really left right now is like some wheels and some coilovers, and then I don't know. So be in the planning phase for a little bit. You know, I've completely overhauled the exterior of the car with the wrap and the mirrors, and the engine bay is all squared away with my ported intake plenum and my coil rad, my cold air intake, and got my little catch can dealio, got the whole interior done up. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should do next. The goal still is by the end of the year to get to the track and slide this thing around a little bit and have some fun. So that's where we're at right now. Appreciate y'all sticking through the video. Please leave a like, comment, and do the subscription and all that stuff. See you guys.